If you want to improve your life, sit back and listen to what I'm about to say. One of the factors that makes a person achieve a certain thing is that they surround themselves with people that share the same mindset. The saying, "You are the sum of the 5 people you spend the most time with," is completely true. If you hang around with 5 people who are healthy and fit, you are the 6th. If you hang around with 5 people who are business-minded and are rich, you are the 6th. If you hang around with 5 people who goes to parties and have drinks almost every day, you are the 6th. Understand that your main circle of friends has a huge influence in shaping you as a person. So if you want to become successful, hang around with people who are like-minded, or make yourself a leader to your current circle of friends and encourage them to become successful as well. If you don't want to be successful, then hang around with broke friends who goes to parties and spends their time watching meaningless sport events. Hope you got that. As always, I am rooting for you, and I will see you at the top. Or will I?